Welcome to Scodeen Global. The software industry consists of three main sectors: enterprise programming services, enterprise software testing services, enterprise requirement analysis services. India has been the world leader in the software industry throughout its history. It is estimated India's software industry to reach $100 billion by 2025. The IT industry in India is expected to see a significant increase in the adoption of the digital technologies such as cloud computing, data analytics, artificial intelligence (AI), and cybersecurity. These advanced technologies are transforming the way business is operated. Considering these points, Scodeen Global implement all market trending technologies. Please have a look all verticals. Verticals are: software testing, Python data science and web development, Django, Java development, OS cloud computing and DevOps, SQL place, SQL ETL, by development database programming, artificial intelligence, business analyst, techno and functional. Choose either one and get a high salary job. The most important point is all these vertical syllabus are designed with high intelligent information and market demand with integrated approach. Generally all these verticals duration takes 4 to 5 months approximately. Price of all verticals equals 25,000 Indian rupees for Indian students. For international students equals 500 United States dollars. We provide best placement support in industry. These are few offer letters who have got placed recently in top multinational company with high package. Should you have any questions, we will be pleased to answer them. Please feel free to contact us. Thank you very much.